Hi everyone, welcome to this complete Elementor tutorial for 2025. If you are new to WordPress or want to design beautiful responsive websites without any coding, you are in the right place. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use Elementor, explore key widgets, set background images, add forms, etc. etc. Okay, then let us start. First of all, we have opened the backend of the website. So in here, we use Elementor? Let us see first. Elementor is one of the most powerful, popular page builder for WordPress. It is drag and drop super initiative and works with almost everything, especially Astra. You don't need to know coding to create professional websites. The free version is powerful and the pro version adds even more widgets, templates, and theme builder features. So first of all, we have to go and check the plugin. This is the plugin. We have to add plugin and we have to install this plugin. That is Elementor Plus. Here, search plugins, you have to do Elementor. Since I have already installed it, so it is showing like this. Otherwise, you will get an option like install now. You have to click on install now. After that, there will be an option like activate. Then after that, you have to activate. Whatever the plugins you are installing, you have to activate it also. That is a mandatory thing. Okay. And after that, first let us go to pages. Let us add one page. So add pages. In this way, we have to create a page. So I am giving the page as name as Elementor. Okay, Elementor tutorial. Here, we have to do 2 times, we have to do the publish. Now we have to click the edit with Elementor. Now here is where the magic begins. You will see a left panel with the widgets and a main canvas to build your layout. Now this is the left panel, this is the widgets one. And this is the main canvas to build our layout. So first of all, we have to do the widgets. We have to start dragging widgets, heading, text editor, image, everything we have to drag and drop here. So before that, we will use the heading, text editor, image, video, and button, spacer, divider. Okay, all these things. And in the widget section, we can see 3 tabs: content, style, and advanced. Before that, let us start with first one. Let us click the plus button. And here you will get 2 layouts. So one, we have to always use Flexibox only, Flexbox. And in this, we have different types of structure. If you want downside structure, single, then this one. Otherwise, sidewise you have to want, then you can pick this. 2 on this one. This 25 is to 75. 4 structure, whatever you wish to. At present, I am taking only the single one. Here, let us go to the, now this is, before that, first of all, when we reach here, we have to click the settings button. And always we have to do this, go to the page layout, and we have to click the Elementor full width. And after that, always you have to do this. Now, this one, you have to click the 6 button. Here, you have to go here, and again, content width should be full width. This you have to do always. And after that, now we have to come to the widgets. First, let us open the widgets. Here, let us bring the heading widget. I am clicking and dragging and dropping here. When the pink line will you see, you have to drop there. Okay. Now I'm adding one more widget, one more structure. Here I am taking 2 this structure. And again, we are doing the same thing. We are click the 6 box button. Then we have to go to the full width. And after that, I am going to the widgets plus button. This is the widget. From here, I am taking the text editor and I am dropping it here. Done. Now, next I am going to the widget and I am bringing the image and dropping here. Done. And image, I want the size to be smaller. So I am going for taking the medium 300 by 300 size. Now I want to, how we can upload an image. I have to apply. I'm already having some images. I'm taking this one and I am selecting this one. And this one is done. Now text, whatever text you want to add, you can add it here. Now you can paste it here. Done. Okay. Now I want, now the next one. are going to change the color of the text. Style button. And first of all, we have to take this as H1. I'm taking this as H1. It will change the text size. Now I am giving the name as Elementor tutorial. Okay. But I think this is too big, so I'm making it as H2 only. Okay. And this is too small. Okay, it's okay. Now let us select this one. Go to the, now we have completed the content button. We have completed everything. Style button. Here we have the different types of alignment options, that is left, center, right, and justified. So I am keeping it the center. And next, typography. In this one, you can click the edit button and you can take whatever the font you want. What if I want to change this font to logo to contents, it will change like this. Now I want to change the size also. You can change the size. You have to change the size like this. Okay. And now you have to change the weight of this one, like 400, whatever, maybe this 400, 500, like this one, and 500 I am taking. Now next one is if you want to create the line height also, you can increase it. You can increase it as per your wish. Downwards, we can keep the spacing, letter spacing else. Look, it's expanding, it is shrinking like that. And if you want to change the color, so the color, text color. If you want to change the color of the text, you can change it as per your wish. Now, if you want to change the color while hovering, you have to go to the hover button. And here again, you have to go to this button and you can change the color whatever you wish. And that's it. I've selected this one and drop it. Now, if you hover over this one, the color will be changing. But whatever the changes we have done, we can go to the front end and can see. And if you want to change the background of this heading, so I have to click on this 6 button and I have to come to the style button where I can see background. Only if you click the 6 button only, then you can see these options. So here I have came to the background color. You can change here. We can change the background type is classic also. So classic I clicked, and now here we can change the color. From here you can change the color as okay. Now this color is changed. If you want, you can whatever, if white, what color you want, you can change the color of the background. Next, the one is border. Border, if you want the border one, less like always is, now it is default one. You can, if you can select as none, you can select as solid. Solid means the border will be bold. And what border color? If you want any border color, you can change the border color also. If you take this black color, border color will be changed into black color. And border radius, if you want to change the border radius, that also you can do. All the buttons will be doing. And look, can you see that here? That here it is getting curvy. And if you go behind, it will change into that change backside. But if you want only to change it only one side, top, bottom, whatever, then you have to click this link button and you can click down. If you click, it will the only left side will be changed. The others will be remain left. Shadow means you can change the shadow of the box. Here, you can click here and now you can see the button, horizontal, vertical, you can see whatever the border you have to font, you can change the border. Can you see? You can see the shadow. Here also you can see the shadow, vertical. Look, can you see? Now you can see it very clearly. So now we have keep it very less only. Now next is shape divider. Shape divider means you can change the shape also. Okay. Now we have to come to the advanced option. Now we have the advanced option. Here also this margin button is there. In here also you can keep the margin changing. So you can change if you want to do it upside, can you see all of the boxes moving one side? Okay. And then now if you keep it back, then it will go behind. If you want to change on any one side, then you have to unlink this one. If I click now, it will become only top side will come downwards and upwards. That's only that portion will be changed. Other portions will be remaining same. Just like the same, padding also is there. Padding also means if you have to, you can Can you see the difference? It will be coming less. And if you go behind, it will go back. Now, align self. That is, if you want to keep it in this center, whatever it be, you can keep it as per your wish. So now we have completed this all these things, and now height, minimum height, everything I told you. Now we are coming to the text. The same thing can be done here also in the text portion. Here also we are clicking on this portion, and we are doing the same thing. That is, we have to change the background image. If you are clicking on here, then only background will appear. If you are clicking here, the background will disappear. Going to do that same one. So here, if this the color is, let me keep it as yellow. So I have taken this one. Yes. Now I have done this one. All the text. Let us go to the text image. Now we have to justify it. So let us justify this one. And if you want to change the color of the text, you can change it here. Whatever color, change the color of the text. Text color can be changed from here. Whatever the family font you want to change, you can change it from here. Text color, let me say, do it as black color. So it will be black color. If I move it and make it as red color, it will be changed into red color. Now let us now over color. It is changed into over color. Now it is done this. And now paragraph spacing. If you want to increase the spacing, we can increase. Look, can you see the spacing? It is changing here. Now text color is changed. Everything is changed. Typography is changed. Let us go for the advanced option. Here again, same thing, margin padding, etc. Width, full width, 100%. It is kept here. And alignment is already done. Responsive means you can make it according as per our wish for the hide on desktop. As per your wish, we can make it available in the desktop. What view type you want in as per the tablet, as per the mobile, as per the desktop. You can do it as per your wishes here. So click one budget widget. Let us bring an image here. Let us add one widget. Let us keep this one. Now go to Style tab. And after that, from there, content width to be full width. And now select a section, Style tab, background, image. Style, go to Style. Now go to background. Choose Classic. Now we have to upload one image. Let us see. Let's take this one itself. Since the image size is smaller, it is taking double side. So if we want one only, so you have to take the bigger size only. Now it is done. Now you can keep the size as of the image as bigger size. It is too small, right? Content width the full height. Yeah. Now we want to overlay the text. Before that, let us see. We can see some gaps. We can make some gap also here between the images if we want. But since it is a one image, you can't do the same. Now direction, minimum height, width. Okay. Now go to. Now we have to bring one heading over here. We have to take the heading. We can keep here. Image. Okay. And we can change the color also, whatever you wish. Now we can bring one more text editor also here, and we can keep it here and below that one. Now we can add any text here. Okay, the same text I have added, and after that we can change the color also, And you can see the padding, margin, whatever you would like to, you can do it as per your wish. Color, let us keep the color as black color. Okay, and we can alignment, let us keep this as center. Now it's everything completed. Now this, in this way you can, and if you want to add one carousel, you can do that also. That what layout would you wish to use, that carousel. So I'm taking this one as this one. Okay, now I am taking going to widget and I'm checking for the carousel. Yes, image carousel. I'm bringing this here and I'm dropping it here. Now I have to add the images. So let the thumbnail, I am changing it to 300 size. Okay, now let us add some images. Done. Yes, now create a gallery. Everything is there. Now insert gallery. You have to click the insert gallery and all the images will be there. I think this image size is different, so that is why it is coming like this. Now, image carousel is done and the slides to show you. If you want any numbers, you can otherwise make it default. Slides to scroll, that also it will scroll automatically. Image stretch, yes, then it will stretch out more. It will do, there will be no space between them. And now if caption, if you want to give any caption, we can add that also. And autoplay, if you want to click the autoplay, it will play it automatically. If you don't want, then you can switch off this one. Auto speed, it is 5000. It can increase or decrease as per your wish. If you want it continuously to move here and there, then you can change this one. Animation speed 500. Left, if you want to go to the left side, if you go on to the right side, whatever you can do according to your wish. Now you can bring the spacer here. You can bring the spacer from the widget and add here. Two images or whatever, two sections. And you can change the background of this color also like this, as per already we have told you. And you have to click here. And we have to bring the layout as divider. Now you can bring this one and drop it. Now you got the divider. Now in different types of dividers are there. You can solid, arrows, slashes. You can, whatever wishes, you can look, the changes is come. And if you want to change the width, you can reduce the width of each one. And if you want the alignment to be in the center, you can keep it as center. And slashes, you want to make it as wavy, you can make wavy. See, in this way, you can change the divider and spacer also. If you want, now we have to add one button. So for that also, we can go here and take the button. You can bring the button here and you can keep it here. We have kept the button. If you want to keep it on the center, you can make it a center. Go to style and make it to center. And if you want to change the color of the background, you can change that also here. And here you can go as, I am changing it to white. And otherwise you can change to any other color. And if you want, now it will not redirect to any other pages. For that, we have to go to any other pages and copy the URL and paste it here. New place where it is. You can insert any image, icons from here. Angry arrow, whatever you would like. If you have arrow, then I have to click here. Then it will ask for the left side. Icon position should be on left or right, whatever you can put that one. In this way, you can add some other options, this like live chat integration. For that, you have to install a plugin like Talk.2. It's a live chat one, and you have to create an account on Talk.2, copy the widget code and paste it in the Elementor using an HTML widget or in your site footer under the appearance, customizer, and footer scripts. And you could also add one Ninja form, install the Ninja forms plugin and create a new form with name, email, message fields, save it and copy the shortcode. Paste the shortcode into the Elementor using the shortcode widget. Your shortcode widget can also be get from this widgets only. Your your contact form will be now live. Now one more option is there, one more plugin is there, that is backup plugin. In that, install Updraft Plus for automatic backups. Go to settings, Updraft Plus backups, choose the Google Drive or Dropbox as your storage. Schedule daily or weekly backups to protect your data. And one more plugin is there, that's called WooCommerce plus Elementor. To create an online store, install WooCommerce Elementor. Lets you customize product images, colors, attributes, everything, variations, etc., shop layouts, and add buy buttons. For deep customization, consider Elementor Pro with WooCommerce budgets. Okay, and alternatives for the Elementor is Breezy, WP Bakery, Beaver Builder, etc. etc. Elementor stands out for simplicity and design freedom. Remember to keep plugins always updated. Use the lightweight themes and test your website on mobile also. So I think you are familiar with the Elementor now. So if you want to design stunning websites without touching a single line of code, then it is the beginner-friendly Elementor tutorial for 2025. Okay, this is the best one. In just 20 minutes, you have learned how to build and customize stunning pages with ease with using Elementor. Now it's your turn to start building. Explore, experiment, and bring your vision to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Keep practicing and you will be pro in no time. Thank you. Bye-bye.